DKE Barker. DKE Barker was built as the Edward B. Greene in 1952 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Toledo, Ohio. Today they are leaving empty. They previously were discharging some limestone over at Dock 8. Today they're heading to Marquette to probably load iron or pellets. If you see the crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave and wish them a safe trip. If you see the crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave and once again wish them a safe trip. Again, they're on their way to Marquette. DKE Barker is 767 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. She is powered by two 4,000 horsepower, 6-cylinder Rolls-Royce Bergen diesel engines which give her a top speed of 15 knots or about 17 miles per hour. She is also equipped with a bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The Barker has 23 hatches on her deck which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 46 by 11 feet. And she has a maximum carrying capacity of 25,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The KE Barker is currently owned and operated by the Pittsburg Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. The KE Barker is named in honor of the wife of James Barker, President and Chairman of the Board of Interlake Steamship. She is one of 8 AAA-class ships built for the iron ore and coal trades on the Great Lakes in the early 1950s. She differs from her 7 other sisters due to her modified triple-deck forward house, which provided large guest accommodations for corporate passengers. She was lengthened by 120 feet by Fraser Shipyard here in Superior in 1976 and was converted to a self-unloader in 1981 in Toledo. And once again, she's leaving empty, going to Marquette to likely load iron ore pellets. She'd come in earlier today, about 9 hours ago, to discharge her limestone over at Dock